So this is a quick tutorial on how to fix the OneDrive syncing error. Sometimes your files don't sync up with the cloud properly and you might be out of sync, a little out of date. You don't see something that other people see. So one way to fix this is going to the settings button here and quitting OneDrive. Just closing it down. And then you'll want to search for OneDrive to reopen it. Sometimes that works and fixes the issue for people. Most of the time I've found that it doesn't. The other solution that I've found works most of the time is opening up the run box with the Windows button and the R key, and then putting in this command to reset OneDrive, which I'll leave that in the description. And this is normally going to fix your issue. So it basically resets your OneDrive and syncs everything back from the cloud to your desktop. So these files are all up to date. You can tell with the check marks. Another solution would be to go to the Office website, and you can find that by looking up Office 365. And then navigating to your OneDrive. Most of the time you'll see a sync button here. I don't on mine because I don't pay for the premium products in Office. So that should do it for you guys. If there's any other solutions that you find, please leave them in the comments. And if this helped, please leave a like. Thank you.